So you want to make $20 fast? With the rising costs of just about everything, it's no wonder you're looking for ways to fatten your wallet. Lucky for you, the digital age has brought about tons of opportunities to do just that, and I'm here to share with you 11 of the fastest, most effective methods to pocket some extra bucks. Whether you're looking for gigs that'll get you out and about or prefer to earn from the comfort of your home, I've got you covered. And the best part is these methods aren't just about making a quick buck. They can evolve into consistent sources of income. Ready to dive in? Number 1, play games. Yes, you heard that right. Playing games can be one of the most reliable ways to make $20 quickly. Seriously, I'm not talking about video games that only let you win in-game coins. I'm talking about games that win you real dollars and gift cards. To get started, sign up with a reputable gaming platform or download a game-based app. Some top contenders in this arena are Rewarded Play, Missed Play, and Cashy. I'll link each of them below. Some apps may not pay in cash, but you can redeem points for gift cards, including Visa ones. So while you're having fun, your bank account can grow. Ready, player 1? Number 2, complete online surveys. Yes, online surveys can indeed put money in your pocket, and they're not too good to be true. While you probably won't be retiring on your survey earnings, they can help you make that $20 fast. My top 3 favorite survey platforms are Swagbucks, MyPoints, and Survey Junkie, all linked below. Each offers rewards in gift cards and cash, allowing you to choose your preferred reward. Just create a profile by answering some basic questions. Select available surveys, provide your insights, and watch the money roll in. Once your responses get the green light, the cash goes into your account, and you can cash out once you reach the platform's minimum payout threshold, which is usually around $5. Number 3, grocery shop for others. If you're looking for a way to make money while getting your groceries, you're in for a treat. There's a demand for personal shoppers, and it's growing rapidly. Platforms like Shipt connect you with people in your community who need assistance with their grocery shopping. All you have to do is shop according to their list and deliver the products. It's simple, flexible, and pays well. The requirements are pretty standard. You need to be 18, plus have a reliable vehicle, a driver's license, auto insurance, and a smartphone. If you meet these criteria, sign up at the link below, interview, and start earning. Number 4, exercise. Let's face it, we all know exercise is good for our health. But did you know it can be good for your bank account too? Healthy Wage will pay you to lose weight. I'm serious. Here's how it works. You make a weight loss bet. You work on reaching your weight loss goal. Then, you get paid when you hit your goal. Of course, this only works if you're dedicated to losing weight. But if you're planning to shed some pounds anyway, why not make money while doing it? Number 5, deliver goods. The modern world is all about convenience. People want everything delivered to their doorstep. This is where you come in. With apps like DoorDash, you can become a delivery driver and start earning money within days. You don't even need a car in some locations. A motorcycle, bike, or scooter will do. This method can take a few days to get up and started, but then you'll be making $20 over and over again and fast. Number 6, join focus groups. Believe it or not, your opinions can make you money. And I'm talking a lot more than a penny for your thoughts. Plus, it won't take longer than a day or so to get you started. Focus groups are a way for companies to get regular people's opinions while developing products. And yes, you can get paid for this. Sign up with online platforms like Survey Junkie, linked below. Participate in focus groups, earn points, and redeem them for money or gift cards. It's an easy and entertaining way to pocket some extra cash. Number 7, Babysit. If you enjoy taking care of kids, babysitting could be your ticket to making $20 quickly. Instead of just asking around, use platforms like care.com that will connect you with parents looking for childcare services. You can either take up regular shifts or opt for smaller jobs on a case-by-case basis, giving you the flexibility to make babysitting fit your schedule. Number 8, provide pet care. For animal lovers, getting paid for pet care might sound like a dream come true. With platforms like Rover, it's easy to turn that dream into reality. You can offer services like boarding, dog walking, doggy daycare, or house-sitting/drop-in visits. And as a bonus, you have the flexibility to work according to your schedule. Sign up at the link below. Number 9, sell your photos. No, not those ones. If you're a talented photographer, selling your photos can be a lucrative way to make $20 fast. Platforms like Shutterstock allow you to upload your images and earn money each time someone downloads them. You can even earn extra by referring others to the platform. Cha-ching! Number 10. Open a new bank account. Did you know that many banks offer sign-up bonuses when you open a new account? It's a simple way to pocket some extra cash without doing much work. Just look for bank promotions that suit your needs. Consider the bonus size, requirements, and account features, and you could easily earn upwards of $20. I linked a list of some of the best bank promotions available below. You'll probably find one that works for your situation. But what if you can't receive direct deposits, which is a common requirement for bank promotions? Don't panic. Just check out the other list of sign-up offers that don't have a direct deposit requirement linked below. Method 11. Review your spending. Saving money is just as crucial as making it. Rocket Money, a subscription management service, helps you identify areas where you're wasting money. It creates a list of all your subscriptions, making it easy to cancel unnecessary ones and save money. If you're anything like me, you're definitely paying or have paid for a service you don't even use regularly. So you can imagine the satisfaction of canceling those wasted subscriptions and negotiating down prices on the ones you do need. It all adds up, and you'll save $20 in no time. Well, there you have it. 11 different ways to make $20. Some are super speedy, while others may take a bit longer to get started. But whether you prefer gaming, online surveys, shopping for others, or even getting paid to lose weight, there's something for you. So why wait? Check out the links in the description and get started today so your pockets will be filled with the extra cash you've been looking for. And hit subscribe while you're at it. Good luck, and may your wallet always be heavy.